Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Abdul Ibrahim. Today I'm going to show you how to view different sheets at the same time. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, this is our first sheet. We have named it Abuja. As you can see, we have Kaduna sheet, we have Lagos sheet, we have Ebonyi sheet, we have Bauchi sheet, we have Kano sheet. So as you can see, we are going to view some sheets together and you can equally work on them if you want. So first of all, let's now we are on Abuja sheet. As you can see, this is the data in on Abuja sheet. So now we are going to view and look for new window here and click. As you can see, then you go back to view again, then you look for view side by side and click. As you can see, we have two sheets. All is Abuja sheet. This is Abuja sheet and this one is Abuja sheet. So I'm going to change the second one to to Lagos sheet. As you can see, now we have Lagos sheet and we have Abuja sheet, and you can type anything you want. As you can see, let's go back to Abuja sheet. You can type something. As you can see, we type Abuja here, we type thank here. So you can view different sheets at the same time. You can use all of them together. So this is how to view sheet in Excel. This is how to view different sheets at the same time in Excel. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching.